it's Elise and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be Leigh-Anne's Barbie inspired makeup look. I mean, before we start, it's not my best, okay? It's been a long day and doing this tutorial is the last thing I wanted to do. But I've done it anyway. There is some flaws in it. My hair as well should be up here, but I've got extensions in and they're hurting already. Like, it's just really great. But, you know, what can you do? But if you would like to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching the video and I'll see you at the end. We're about to start our bounce back makeup tutorials. So, we're starting with Leigh-Anne's doll look, where she's in the big pigtails and the pink like cartoon eye. So I've already done my brows. Now I've done them mostly with powder because Leigh-Anne's eyebrows are very naturally gorgeous. Also, I have put on a bit of concealer on my eyelids. If you see any pink on there, I just had a blue and purple look on today, so it stayed my eyes a little bit, so that's lovely. But it's gonna get stained again because we're putting more shit on it. So we are about to jump on in. We're gonna start with the eye and let's make it really cartoony. And I've never done it before, so we're hoping for the best. The first thing I can see is there's a transition shade laid on her eye, like all over the lid. So we're gonna do that really quickly. I'm gonna grab my Blood Sugar by Jeffree Star palette and a Morphe M433 brush. And I'm going to take this shade here called Cake Mix. Boop, boop. And we're going to apply this all over the, oh, it actually might be a bit red. See what Blue Blood has for me. Maybe Celebrity Skin might be a bit better. Let's try that. Oh yeah, much better. Okay, so Blue Blood palette with shade Celebrity Skin. And I'm just putting this right in my crease area and taking it out. So we're like winging it out, and then I do that corner trick I talked about in my other bounce back single art tutorial. And I'm not taking it high up on the brow bone because we're doing all this detail here. Now I have hooded eyes and Leigh-Anne doesn't. So my tutorial will be for hooded eyes really. But just whacking this transition shade on. Okay. Looks like we've done nothing. Perfect, that's exactly what we want. Now is for the fun part. Now I'm gonna take a lip liner to start where we want it, and then I'll go in with the lipstick we're gonna use. We're gonna use lipstick on our eyes, don't worry, it's all eye safe. And then I'll put a bit of eyeshadow over it just to alter the color just a little bit. Then I'll go in with the liner, done, lash, eyes done. Pretty simple, but also super hard. So I'm taking this Essence lip liner. It's number 12, Make Me Rose. I might zoom in really quickly for you guys actually. Okay, now you can see like all the lash glue that's still in my eyes from when I just had my makeup on 5 seconds ago. But I'm taking this pink lip liner and I need to look at the picture of Leigh-Anne again, hold on. So it looks like it's going from the corner of her eye out and here. So I'm gonna map that out really quickly. So just gonna take this lip liner and just start sketching it out. Again, this is just a map out, it's not supposed to look great, like I look crazy right now, you know? I'm gonna take Sugar Pill Oh Honey Trixie Mattel collab. Just gonna take some of this Trixie Mattel Oh Honey Sugar Pill collab and just pop some on the back of my hand. This is one from BH Cosmetics, it's just garbage literally. And then I'm just going to go in and fill in my eye. So now that I look really insane, like what are you doing, Elise? Anyway, so I'm done with my liquid lipstick, so I'm just gonna wipe that off. I'm gonna use my LMX Pop in the Pink palette because it just seems appropriate, and use that matte pink here. Lee's seems more like baby pink, but I'll make it hot pink, why the hell not. Little packer brush, this is a M166 from Morphe. And just pat it over. This will set the lipstick so it doesn't move, and also alter the color. Okay, so I'm just throwing a little bit of white shadow over the top. I was just gonna see if I could alter it to make it more baby pink, which I can. So I'm just throwing a little bit of white shadow. This is Glucose from the Blood Sugar palette. Right, we're gonna go in with the Made to Fly liner by LMX, and I'm going to do my normal winged liner first. And then I'm gonna go on the top. Okay, I've sat here for like 25 minutes trying to make them even, and they're not gonna be even, so just deal with it. Today is not my day, okay? It's currently 4 o'clock and I've been going since 8:30 doing videos, you know, changing my makeup, doing other things though. Alright, so I'm just gonna throw on some mascara now because we're basically done with the eye. So just throw a bit of this on. And Leigh-Anne is wearing her signature lashes, the green ones, but we all know how I feel about those lashes. If you saw my LMX lash review, they just weren't my style and they looked awkward on me. So she is wearing a small lash, but I kind of want to just throw on my drag lash because how gross my makeup looks. I don't even know if this video is going to make the internet, to be quite honest, because probably not, but I'm going to do it anyway and see how it goes in editing. These lashes I wear are DODO lashes. You can use code Elise Beauty at dodolashes.com to save yourself some money. And my lashes that I'm wearing going to put on these ones, these big fat fluffy long drag looking lashes, are the D325s. In the packet they look like this. Okay, same line. And they're like $5 a pair, I'm not kidding. Just doing my lash trick where I put the glue on the lash and then just like put some on my eye, because then they both get tacky and then it becomes like a magnet. Okay, I just thought while I was waiting for this lash glue to dry, I'd do my foundation, concealer and powder, so that's what I did. If you're curious, I used MAC Studio Fix Fluid. This is NC20. I used Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer in shade C7, and I used Jeffree Star Loose Powder in Fair, and then I powdered the rest of my face with MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in NW20. So as you can see, there's like a kind of like a shiny happening right there. That means the glue's dry because it was white, wasn't it? The lash, and then pop it on. Remembering to lift up the corner. Now, of course, if you had a smaller lash on, you'd be able to see the pink thing more, but I'm not very happy with mine, so I'm covering it up. From nice angles it looks good, but front on I just look insane. So I normally have shadow literally all the way up to my brow bone. That's why it's different for me, you know? Okay, she seems to have nothing in her waterline, but I don't agree. So I'm gonna put white in there because she's a doll, and to make your eyes look doll-like, you put white in there, so. Right, so the white's in there. That was NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. On a pencil brush, the highlighter from the Pop in the Pink palette by LMX, and just pop it in the inner corner. So I haven't contoured or bronzed or anything right now, so I'll do that with you guys. So I'm just gonna take my JH02 brush and my Morphe 8L palette, and I mix these two together. Now for blush, I can see that Leigh has on like a bright bubblegum pink blush. So I'm just gonna take this blush from the Trixie Sugar Pill collab called Life Size. This is very pigmented, so making sure to tap off. And just dusting this on. See that pink there? Cute. I'm just gonna go boop, boop, boop on my nose, here, here. And then I'm just going to veil over it. So that just means taking a powder brush and going over it so it looks like you're being punched in the face. For highlighter, I'm just going to use one that's in this 8L palette. Take that on a Morphe JH09 brush. And I'm just going to take Lit and Stardust. Then it creates this weird duochrome kind of shade. This brush, this is a Morphe E18 brush, and just taking that too and highlighting my nose with it. For lip liner, I'm going to take LMX lip liner in Suede, and just line these lips. Then I'm gonna take MAC lipstick in Whirl. So this is Whirl. Let's give it a whirl. I'm quickly just gonna lighten this shade. And I think there we have it. So I'm gonna do my hair like Leigh-Anne, and then I'll come back and I'll finish off this video. Okay, well, this is my interpretation of Leigh-Anne's Bratz Barbie look. I don't know. I don't know if I'm the biggest fan of it. I mean, when it's all put together, it's kind of cute, but you know, one eye is higher than the other, let's be real. And you know, I'm covering most of it up with my massive lash, but it is kind of cute. And I mean, I would put them up here a little bit more, my ponytails, but I've got extensions in, so if I put them any higher, all my extensions will pop out. So, love that for me. But it is really cute. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a giant thumbs up. Let me know down below what you would like to see next. I've got so many bounce back makeup tutorials from the music video coming up for you guys. I think I'm gonna upload them every Monday. We're gonna like a Makeup Monday, yes. So that's what I'll be doing. So Leigh-Anne's kicked it off. I've got Jessie's denim look to do. I've got Jade's Barbie look to do. I've got Jade's leopard look to do. I've got Perry's blue look from the dolls look. There's so many looks that I have to do. I'm not gonna do all of them because there's 3 looks each, and I mean Jessie's purple inner corner I've already done on my channel before, so yeah, it's all happening, but you will get tutorials, and I will see you guys soon. So bye guys, and I'll see you soon. Bada bing bang.